Hi there. In this video, I'll be showing you how to apply for the new reflective plates, or basically how to apply for the new generation number plates for your car, but the same process can be used for other motor vehicles like motorbikes, tuk-tuks, and so on and so forth. So we don't have much time. Let's get started. So once you log into your account, I want you to scroll down just like that, then click on Ntsa and then continue just like that, and you'll come to this page. I want you to scroll down, and for this client he has two cars, but the one that he wanted is the Pro Box one. So I'll just click on view just like that. And then you can see more information about the vehicle, the color, blah, 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 and all that. But we are not interested so much into this, but you can just read for your own information. I want you to scroll up, then I want you to click on motor vehicle services. And then there are several services you can apply for, like the ones that you are seeing on the screen, like compliance inspection and all that. But here we are interested in reflective plates, so click on apply. Then I want you to scroll down. It's giving you the vehicle particulars, the ones that you've just seen from the previous screen, but you can still go through them just to make sure that you are doing the right thing. I want you to click on next, and then here we are now going to apply. The reason for reflective plate, here we'll choose between lost, damaged, and new generation. For our case, it's new generation. Then for new generation cases, upload the following files in a single combined PDF. So you'll have to have the number plates, okay, the logbook, and all of them must be in one document. So I did that, and here is the document that comprises of all the documents they wanted. Now I'll come back to Chrome and then click on choose file, and then I will locate where I saved the PDF file. Here it is, and then click open. Then that file will be uploaded to the Ntsa portal. Reflective plate required. Do you want the front only, back only, or both? For our case, we need both. Then type of number plate, front, is it oblong or square? For this case, it's oblong. And then for the rear one or the back one, let it be square, just like that. And then plate counter collection office. Here you'll choose where you want to collect your plate. For my case is Kakamega. So I'll click on Kakamega. Notification method, do you want to be notified via SMS or email? For this case, it's SMS. And then authorized person to collect plate. First, the ID type is national ID. So I'll click on national identification. Then I'll put here the ID number, just like that. Then put here the first name as it appears on the ID. And then I'll click on search. So it has found the person. So next is to put the phone number, which I'm going to do pretty quick. Just like that. Declaration. I hereby confirm that the details presented in this application are true. And then I want you to click on preview. Just like that. Then here you are going to preview the information you've just put. In case you made a mistake, you can go back and edit. So that when you submit, you'll know that you're submitting what is right. Then once you verify it's okay, click on complete. Now the next step is to make the payments. Here is the payment reference, and here is the amount that you need to pay. Now there are various ways you can pay. All of them are listed here. For our case, we'll go for M-Pesa. It's the easiest one. Now, there are two ways you can pay using M-Pesa. The first one is to click on here, and then you'll be prompted to put the M-Pesa PIN. Or you can follow these instructions using the pay bill option. and you are going to key in this information as it is here. For this case, I want to click here, and then I'll put here the phone number for the client. And then once I've put, I'll click on initiate payment, and now the STK menu has been sent, and now he can be able to put the PIN. Once the money has been deducted, click complete, and then this website will be redirecting you to this site. And here you can see the information, the date that you've applied, and so many other stuffs that you may want to check. But I want you to now click on download the receipt, just to show that we've been able to apply for these reflective plates. So it is as simple as that. When you'll be going to collect the very number plates, you will go with the receipt to just show that you paid for it, and then you'll be given the new registration plates. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask. And like I said in the beginning of this video, the same process applies to other motor vehicles like motorbikes and tuk-tuks. And you should note that different motor vehicles are charged differently. So you may not pay 3,050, you may pay 1,500 maybe for a motorbike, and you may pay something else for a tuk-tuk. So the prices will vary. I hope that this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button. And you can also share this video to your friends so that they can learn a thing or two. This is a message of thank you. I want to appreciate you all for supporting this channel. We are now monetized, and this has been our dream for so many years. And I want to just say thank you so much for finding Ero Productions the best place to be. And I want to just ask you to continue supporting this channel until we make it, okay? So thank you so much. I'll continue giving you free tutorials on how to apply different stuffs when it comes to online services. At this moment, I want you to click anywhere on the screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I will see you in that video. Peace.